Have you ever dreamed of turning your hobbies into a source of income? Imagine getting paid to do what you love and are passionate about. In today's video, we're going to explore the exciting concept of transforming your hobbies into profitable income streams. Turning hobbies into income streams is not just about making money, it's about monetizing your passions and creating a fulfilling career out of what you love to do. By leveraging your hobbies, you can unlock a world of opportunities that can lead to financial stability and personal satisfaction. One of the key benefits of monetizing your passions is the potential for financial well-being. Instead of dreading the Monday blues, imagine waking up excited to work on projects that bring you joy and fulfillment. By turning your hobbies into income streams, you have the chance to build a sustainable source of revenue while doing what you love. But it's not just about the money. The creative aspect of generating income from hobbies adds an exciting twist to the traditional idea of work. Whether you're a talented artist, a skilled crafter, or a passionate writer, there are endless possibilities for turning your creative pursuits into profitable ventures. From selling handmade crafts online to monetizing your photography skills through freelance gigs, the opportunities are as diverse as your interests. So, if you're ready to explore the world of turning hobbies into income streams and unleash your creative potential, then stay tuned for the rest of this video as we dive deeper into this exciting topic. Identifying your profitable hobbies. Do you have a hobby that you're passionate about and can't get enough of? Have you ever considered the possibility of turning that hobby into a lucrative income stream? In this section, we'll help you identify hobbies that have the potential to be transformed into profitable ventures. The first step in identifying your profitable hobbies is to make a list of all the activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Whether it's painting, gardening, cooking, or playing a musical instrument, jot down all your interests and hobbies. This exercise will help you visualize the range of activities you enjoy and could potentially monetize. Next, it's essential to research the market demand for different hobbies. Look into trends, consumer preferences, and niche markets to understand where your hobby fits in and how you can cater to a target audience. By identifying the demand for your hobby in the market, you can better position yourself for success when monetizing it. Furthermore, it's crucial to choose hobbies that align with your personal skills and interests. Selecting hobbies that you excel at and are genuinely passionate about will not only make the monetization process more enjoyable, but also increase your chances of success. Your unique skills and talents can set you apart in a competitive market and attract customers who appreciate your expertise. By following these steps and honing in on hobbies that resonate with you, align with market demand, and showcase your skills, you'll be on your way to identifying profitable hobbies that can be turned into sustainable income streams. Stay tuned for more tips on how to monetize your passions effectively. Researching income opportunities. Ready to take the next step in turning your hobbies into income streams? In this section, we'll guide you on how to research and explore income opportunities related to your passions, opening up a world of possibilities for financial success and personal fulfillment. One effective way to discover potential income streams related to your hobbies is by utilizing online platforms. Websites like Etsy, Fiverr, and Upwork offer opportunities for artists, crafters, writers, and freelancers to showcase their talents and connect with potential clients. By creating a profile and listing your services or products on these platforms, you can reach a broader audience and attract customers who are interested in what you have to offer. Networking with others in the same hobby or industry can also provide valuable insights and opportunities for collaboration. Joining online communities, attending workshops, and participating in local events related to your hobby can help you build connections, gain knowledge, and discover new ways to monetize your skills and interests. By engaging with like-minded individuals, you can learn from their experiences and explore creative avenues for generating income from your hobbies. When researching income opportunities, it's essential to consider both traditional and innovative ways to monetize your hobbies. While selling handmade crafts or offering freelance services are popular options, don't be afraid to think outside the box and explore unconventional methods of generating income. Whether it's hosting workshops, creating digital products, or partnering with brands for sponsored content, there are endless possibilities for turning your hobbies into profitable ventures. By leveraging online platforms, networking with others, and embracing creativity in your approach, you can uncover a variety of income opportunities that align with your passions and skills. Stay tuned for more tips on how to maximize your earning potential from your hobbies. Creating a monetization plan. Now that you've identified potential income opportunities related to your hobbies, it's time to develop a strategic plan to monetize them effectively. In this section, we'll assist you in creating a roadmap for turning your passions into profitable income streams, setting you on the path to financial success and fulfillment. One crucial step in developing a monetization plan is to set specific financial goals for each hobby. Whether you aim to earn a certain amount per month, save for a particular milestone, or invest in growing your hobby into a full-fledged business, having clear and measurable objectives will help you stay focused and motivated. By outlining your financial targets, you can track your progress and adjust your strategies accordingly to achieve your goals. Guiding viewers on pricing strategies and income projections is another essential aspect of creating a monetization plan. Researching market rates, analyzing competitors' pricing, and understanding the value of your offerings can help you determine the optimal pricing for your products or services. By setting competitive prices that reflect the quality and uniqueness of your work, you can attract customers while maximizing your earning potential. Furthermore, it's vital to highlight the importance of diversifying income streams from hobbies. Relying on a single source of income may limit your earning potential and expose you to financial risks. By exploring various monetization avenues, such as selling products, offering services, teaching workshops, or partnering with brands, you can create a robust income portfolio that provides stability and growth opportunities. By setting financial goals, implementing effective pricing strategies, and diversifying income streams, you can develop a comprehensive monetization plan that maximizes the earning potential of your hobbies. Stay tuned for more tips on how to execute your plan and achieve success in monetizing your passions. Marketing your passion. Once you have a solid monetization plan in place, the next step is to effectively market and promote your hobbies as income streams to a wider audience. In this section, we'll provide you with valuable tips on how to showcase your talents, attract customers, and build a strong brand presence that sets you apart in the market. One key aspect of marketing your hobbies is the importance of branding and storytelling. By crafting a compelling narrative around your passion, sharing your journey, and highlighting what makes your work unique, you can create a strong emotional connection with your audience. Building a brand identity that resonates with customers and conveys your values and expertise will help you stand out in a crowded marketplace and attract loyal followers. Utilizing social media and online platforms is another effective strategy for promoting your hobbies and reaching a broader audience. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and TikTok offer powerful tools for showcasing your work, engaging with followers, and driving traffic to your products or services. By creating visually appealing content, sharing behind-the-scenes glimpses, and interacting with your audience, you can build a community of supporters who are passionate about your work. Furthermore, it's essential to encourage viewers to showcase their expertise and passion authentically. Whether it's through blog posts, videos, tutorials, or live streams, sharing your knowledge and enthusiasm for your hobbies can help you establish credibility, attract customers, and position yourself as a trusted authority in your niche. By demonstrating your skills and passion consistently, you can build a loyal following and drive interest in your offerings. By focusing on branding, storytelling, utilizing social media, and showcasing your expertise, you can effectively market your passions as income streams and connect with a wider audience. Stay tuned for more tips on how to grow your hobby-based business and achieve success in the competitive market. Managing finances and scaling. As you embark on your journey of monetizing your hobbies and turning them into sustainable income streams, it's essential to educate yourself on financial management and scaling strategies. In this section, we'll provide you with valuable insights on how to effectively manage your finances, reinvest profits for growth, and adapt to evolving market trends to scale your hobby-based income streams successfully. One of the fundamental aspects of managing finances is understanding the basics of budgeting and tracking income and expenses. By creating a detailed budget that outlines your revenue streams, expenses, and savings goals, you can gain clarity on your financial health and make informed decisions about allocating resources. Tracking your income and expenses diligently will help you identify areas for improvement, optimize your spending, and ensure that you're on track to meet your financial objectives. Guiding viewers on reinvesting profits for growth and scalability is another crucial component of managing finances effectively. Instead of solely relying on your hobby income for personal expenses, consider reinvesting a portion of your profits back into your business. Whether it's upgrading equipment, expanding your product line, or investing in marketing efforts, strategic reinvestment can fuel growth, attract new customers, and position your business for long-term success. Furthermore, it's important to highlight the significance of adapting to market trends and evolving opportunities when scaling your hobby-based income streams. Stay informed about industry developments, consumer preferences, and emerging technologies that could impact your business. By staying agile, open-minded, and willing to pivot when necessary, you can capitalize on new opportunities, stay ahead of the competition, and continue to grow your income streams over time. By mastering financial management, reinvesting profits strategically, and staying adaptable to market trends, you can effectively scale your hobby-based income streams and achieve sustainable growth in your business. Stay tuned for more tips on how to navigate the financial aspects of monetizing your passions and building a successful career from your hobbies. We've explored the exciting journey of turning your hobbies into income streams and unlocking the potential for financial success and personal fulfillment. By following the strategies and tips discussed in this video, you have the opportunity to monetize your passions, build a thriving business, and create a career that aligns with your interests and skills. Throughout this video, we've emphasized the importance of turning hobbies into income streams for financial well-being. By leveraging your passions to generate income, you can not only pursue what you love but also secure a stable source of revenue that brings joy and satisfaction. Monetizing your hobbies opens up a world of possibilities for growth, creativity, and financial independence. Now is the time to take action and start implementing the strategies we've discussed. Whether it's identifying profitable hobbies, researching income opportunities, creating a monetization plan, marketing your passions, or managing finances and scaling your income streams, each step brings you closer to realizing your entrepreneurial dreams and achieving success in your hobby-based business. We encourage you to engage with our channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing this video with others who may benefit from our financial tips and insights. By joining our community, you'll gain access to valuable resources, updates, and support as you navigate the exciting world of monetizing your passions. So what are you waiting for? Start monetizing your hobbies, pursuing your dreams, and building a rewarding career that reflects your unique talents and interests. The possibilities are endless and the journey is yours to embark on. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you thrive in your hobby-based income streams.